Euro dollar long-term forecast for the week of January 16, fxempire.com. The euro dollar fell again during the session after initially rising. You can see that it actually finished the week pretty much unchanged, but we did fall from quite a bit towards the end of the 5 sessions. Late Friday, several European Union countries did have their debt ratings slashed by a notch or two, depending on which ones, such as France, who went from AAA to AA, and the uh, Finns actually avoided a downgrade at all, as did the Germans, but Spanish and Portuguese got cut 2 levels as well as the Italians. So as you see, we have a mixed picture in Europe. But technically speaking, this chart does show us that the 126 level is significant support, and that is right where we're butting up against. But as you can see, these shooting stars that form at the end of downtrends quite often signal continuation. We will base our longer term trades off the daily charts actually, using this weekly chart as a guide. So if we get a daily close below 126, for example, we are more than willing to sell, thinking that we're going to head to about 119 or so. The daily charts also can be used to sell the rallies, which is another strategy we plan on using as long as we stay below 130. We think that a couple days of strength and perhaps some weakness, the closer we get to 130, would be very enticing for sellers, and we think we would sell at that area too. As you can see, 38 does have a history of causing reactions in this pair. With this in mind, we just simply cannot buy because there's just far too many problems in Europe. It will be very tempting for people to buy in at these extreme low levels as they think it's oversold, and quite frankly, maybe it is. But the truth is that the euro has been very, very stubborn to fall, at least against the dollar during this crisis, and one has the feel that sooner or later there's a big flush out coming, and we certainly don't want to miss that. So having said that, we can only be short, and we are looking for weakness below 130, and especially a daily close below 126 to sell and hold for several handles.